Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, February 12th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today the markets are higher. Right now, the futures are trading up 19.5 points to 27 and 3/4 per contract. All in all, it looks like there's some news out here saying that the government may not shut down this week. There may be something in the works here to avert that, and we'll see how it plays out. Again, I don't put too much into it, but markets are higher ahead of the opening bell. We'll see where we go. Remember, this coming Friday is options expiration, so you're generally going to get a lot of whipsaw during options expiration week, so just be aware of that. But let's get started here with stocks and the news. We're going to look at Under Armour first. They're the big retailer to report. Right now, if you look at yesterday's action, the stock closed at $20.78. This morning, right now, the stock's trading at $21.32. So it's got a little bit of an uptick there. Nice little move for Under Armour. I don't see anything great or terrible. I am seeing a fair amount of resistance around the $22.50 to $22.85 level. So keep that on the radar today. We'll see if it gets up there. Next up, we want to take a look at Molson Coors. Ticker symbol is TAP. That stock right now trading at $60.60. Closed at $65.36, so this is down ticking a little bit here. Again, if it does fall, I think there's still a fair amount of support around the $57.50 level. I don't love it. I'm going to have to look at that area again if it is tested a little bit later today in the intraday stock chat room. So once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2019, and you can trade right alongside of us. Let's go to the next earnings play here. SHOP, which is Shopify. Stock is trading at $163.59. Closed at $173.33. So good little haircut for this stock right now. This can be a big mover at times, so just be aware of that. Generally, the stock has a tendency to trade less than 1 million shares a day. Sometimes it trades well over that, so it's kind of mixed. Right when I look at the chart here, I have to think around this area hitting some support. Got a lot more support around the 148.75 level, and a level that I really like today, if it gets there, would be around 139.50, 139.75, somewhere in that level on a Pierce of 140. I really like that level a lot if Shopify does get down there. Let's take a look at Gilead Sciences. This looks like it has some negative drug news out there. Stock closed at $67.63. It is now trading at $65.49. So a little haircut there. I don't think we can make too much out of it. Looks like Gilead still has a fair amount of support around the $63 area, so we'll keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Chegg, CHGG. Looks like this is trading at $38.21, closed at $34.80. Good little pop here. This is a pretty nice little move. This is on the back of earnings. I'm going to give this the upside bias probably to around 39 to 40 bucks. I don't think it goes much past that. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I'd leave it alone here. Looks like Cisco Systems is being downgraded today. Stock is trading at $47.08, closed at $47.63. When I look at this name right here, I have to think around the $46.70, $46.50 area. You do hit some support. So we'll keep it on the radar there, and we'll see how that plays out. Next up, let's take a look at Take-Two, TTWO. I think this was downgraded. Take-Two Interactive trading at $90.70 on a downgrade, closed at $93.44. So we'll be watching this one here. Right now, I don't see a level here that I really love for the stock. So I'll try to refine that by the time the chat room opens today, see if we come up with something there. Electronic Arts, sticking with the video game makers, catching a bid today. This had a great pop yesterday with a great fade. By the way, the morning chat room group caught this on the sell-off, and some of them made some really, really good money. And then today, you could see here, the stock trading back to 104, closing at 97.26. So we'll see how it plays out today. But Electronic Arts has been in the works here for a few days in motion, and we're going to look to play it probably again at some point today. Let's take a look at Molina Healthcare, MOH. It looks like this is trading at 138.49, closed at 136.97. So you got a little uptick there. I don't think we can make too much out of it. I don't see a whole lot of upside from here, but the chart is still good. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. Let's take a look at Cody. It looks like somebody's looking to tender and buy some shares here. Stock trading up at 11.33. Closed yesterday at 9.66. Great pop there. Again, when I look at this name, it may have more room for upside. So again, trail the stop loss. Let's take a look at Martin Marietta, MLM. The stock right now is trading at 181.29. Closed at 185.98. Again, nothing I see here on this gap down. It's not really a big mover. We did have some news here on Ellie Mae, ELLI. It looks like they got a bid for a takeover. Stock is trading at 99.68. So again, nice pop. It closed at 81.91. So great move there for Ellie Mae. And again, if you own it, trail the stop loss or take your chips off the table. It's really your call. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today getting a bid. They're up $4.10 right now, trading at $1,316 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at 124.02. Gold remains constructive on the charts. It's a little bit overbought for my liking in total, but again, it's been holding up pretty well. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil is getting a pop today, up $1.16 to $53.56 on crude. Nice little move there. If you take a look at the USO, that's trading at around 11.25, closed at $11 yesterday. Again, good oil ETF to track the movement in crude if you don't have a crude futures chart. But there you have it. That's pretty much it. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. I believe we have Fed Chairman Jay Powell speaking today at 12:45. So we'll see if that does move markets. I'm not sure it will. But again, we'll be watching that. And lots of stocks in the news today, lots of moving parts. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We're having a sensational 2019. Come trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.